Meaning of Goldilocks and the Three Bears.
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 Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Goldilocks and the Three Bears is a popular children's story about a girl who enters the home of three bears and tries their porridge, chairs, and beds until she finds ones that are just right. The story symbolizes the concept of moderation or finding balance in life, as Goldilocks chooses the neither too hot nor too cold, neither too hard nor too soft, and neither too big nor too small option. This idea can be applied to various aspects of life, such as work, relationships, and personal well-being, emphasizing the importance of avoiding extremes.